Do you want to customize how your contact's name looks on their profile card? You can change the font style, thickness, and color to match the picture. And unlike some other profile card customization, this one is only available for the profile card because the profile picture doesn't display the contact's name. Let me show you how. First, open the Contacts app. Tap the contact you want to customize. Tap the details icon. Tap the profile card. Then tap edit. Now tap the contact name, or you can tap text at the bottom. Here you can choose a different font style. You can also adjust the font thickness by using the slider. And you can also choose the text color you want. There's also an adaptive color option. When you choose it, the text color automatically adjusts to match the picture on your profile card. Once you are happy with the result, tap done. And that's how to change the contact's name, font style, thickness, and color on a profile card on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.